So here we are, a little look at the backyard. So, well, look who's here. Look who's on the front back porch with me. She wanted to go out a little bit, but no, she's too anxious to go out because the snow's over her head when she gets off the trails. So, you can go out, Zoe. Go on. You can go. So, there it is. Just a lazy Sunday afternoon with the snow coming down and look it up on the roof there. It's getting kind of deep. So, yeah. Well, what about it, Zoe? You gonna go out and run around a little bit? Or are you just gonna sit there? Huh? You wanna go back in, don't you? You wanna go back in the house? Do you wanna go back in the house? Probably, huh? Alright, we'll go back in.